Welcome to the middle stall, everybody. Today I'm going to walk you through how to do a factory reset on the transmitter, as well as pair it back up with the receiver for the Godox Magic XT1 wireless 2.4 gigahertz 2-channel microphones. I recently experienced a situation where when I was done with a video shoot, I realized one of my mics was no longer paired. My attempts to repair it per the instructions were failing. I got a hold of customer service, which is overseas, and explained the situation to them. They're very nice, very polite and professional. Gave me some of the basic troubleshooting steps, which I was able to find in the instruction manual. They did advise to factory reset the transmitter. Although there was a couple back and forth correspondence on exactly how long it was needed, how do you know if it has factory reset, and all that kind of fun stuff. So not a lot of resources right now or videos out, so I figured I would make one and spare some of you the pain if you do run into this situation. Here we have the overall unit with the transmitters in with the receiver. Go ahead and turn the receiver on. And I'll just take one out for now. This is the A unit. I did label these, which I strongly recommend just for ease. But you can see where this is currently synced up. There's an orange indicator, which just means that it's in the DNR filter is turned on. Click that once and it goes to green, which means no filter. With this particular transmitter, what I'll do is we'll reset it first. I'll take you through the steps. To factory reset the transmitter, initially I was told, and I did find another source online that also mentioned to hold the button in for 6 seconds, and I'll show you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That just turns it off. At that point, that's where I emailed their customer service or tech support and asked if there was any indicator light change. If there's if it needs to be a little bit longer, they did reply to hold it in for 9 seconds, and that light should blink white. So we'll do 9 seconds from the turned off status. 1, 2, 3, 4. You'll notice the power light does turn on. Keep holding it in. And there you go. It kind of goes a pink, red, white color. Blinks a few times. That indicates that it is now factory reset. And it did turn off. If we turn that on, you can see it's blinking green. That means that it is no longer paired with this particular unit. You can see that this is the A, B is on the back, and it is not indicating that that is picking up any type of signal. So that is how you factory reset it. Now I'll take you through how to pair it. So if we go to the pairing screen, I'll show you what I was trying to do first. Per the instructions, you go with your unit, you go here. So I've selected A, turned it yellow color. I'll double click this button so the green light will blink faster. That means it's ready to pair, and you hit pair. When it pairs, it's very quick. So now, I can tell you right now, it's not going to do it. I have replicated the solution multiple times. See, it has failed, and it's not paired. This morning, I did try one more attempt. Through that process, through the original process, I had actually factory reset my other transmitter that was working, figuring I would just do a total reset. So as of this morning, I was 100% without the unit. It was not going to be worth anything to me. What I did notice is while I had both of them out, so you can see that B is transmitting. You can see the indicator going. that it is picking up signal. So we have a paired transmitter and a non-paired transmitter indicated by the blinking light. So what I did this morning is, just by happenstance, I was in both of them. You can see, and hopefully you can see that, but one of these, B, is orange, indicating that it's paired. If I click on A, which is currently unpaired, and if I double click that to put it in pairing mode, and I click pair, it paired right up. So what is not told, what was not emailed, what was not found on the internet, and what was not in the instruction manual is that you need to have both of these out of their cradle for it to pair. If you just do one, as I showed you originally, it does not pair up. I don't know why it is, but that's omitted from the instructions. It caused 5 or 6 days of frustration and delayed emails back and forth. The good news is they're both paired up now. You can see on the indicator light they're both working. They're both happy. I'm happy. I can use it again. So hopefully this will save you some frustration. I know I definitely had some frustrations with it. I'm happy that they're both paired up. Thank you for tuning in on how to factory reset as well as how to pair. And please hit like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. Thank you.